Welcome to the DAFM Research Dashboard. The dashboard contains metrics on all national and international projects funded from 2010 to 2021. There are 4 sheets of graphs, charts and project summaries. Use the navigation bar at the bottom to scroll through each page. There are several filters, and these filters will update the graphs. Almost everything is clickable, and this will in turn filter the results. Hover over items for additional information. Filtering is also possible using the thematic headings along the top. Click the Reset Filters button at any time. Graphs can be expanded to assist viewing. For project reports, click the link to download a PDF. The project abstract can be obtained by right-clicking and selecting Drill Through.